Ma'am, teachers and my co-students. Today I would like to say about importance of independence and our struggles. This year India celebrates 75th year of independence. To commemorate this day, preparations are already underway. The government has launched 75th Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav to celebrate 75 glorious years of independence. The celebrations were kicked off on March 12, 2021 in 75 weeks countdown that will end on August 15, 2022. Har Ghar Tiranga has also been launched as a part of 75th Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav to encourage people to bring the Indian flag to one and all state. Thank you for giving this great opportunity. Madam and my teachers and my co-students, I would like to speak about a few lines of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsavam. As you all must be aware that in Amrit Mahotsavam on 15th August, we all Indians are going to celebrate the 76th independence on this year. In the joy of completed 75 years of independence of our country, in the joy of completed
teachers and my co-students. Today I would like to speak about Independence Day. The British rule has over India for almost 2 centuries. Starting from 1757, the British Empire first set foot in India through its trading company called the East India Company in Surat, Gujarat in 1619. Their rule became oppressive and sowed the seeds of rebellion in the minds of India's leaders and freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Chandrasekhar Azad and Bhagat Singh since heralded the freedom struggle across the nation. We all know it well that Britishers ruled over India for almost 2 centuries. It was somewhere around the 1600 years. All over India, in the span of the next 200 years, many wars were waged against these Britishers. Our freedom fighters had a significant impact on the plan of the Britishers. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity.
All friends, today we were gathering here to celebrate 76th independence. I would like to speak a few words about importance of Independence Day. Independence Day is one of the national festivals of India. Every Indian celebrates this independence, the entry of the British East Company in the 16th century. It is the beginning of British rule in India and it ended in 1947 on 15th August. After struggling for 200 years for freedom, India got its independence. For freedom, so many freedom fighters, everyone remember the sacrifices of freedom fighters. India acquired independence on the 15th August 1947. On the day, the Prime Minister hoists the flag in Red Fort. It is a proud moment for the country. Various cultural events take place to celebrate Independence Day. Thank you for giving this great opportunity. A few words about importance of Independence Day. Every year 15th August is celebrated as Independence Day. It was on this day that India received the independence of British Empire in 1947 and the Indian national flag was hoisted by the first Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, above the Lahore gate of Red Fort in Delhi. This day is celebrated across the nation with much order and pride, with people coming together to remember the sacrifices of our freedom fighters and leaders who dedicated their lives to free our nation. Thank you, Madam, for giving me this wonderful opportunity.
It's the day of Independence Day. Government buildings decorated with tricolors like orange, white, green, just like the national flag. Many freedom fighters struggle to make our country free from the Britishers. Thanks for giving this great opportunity to express my opinion. Thank you.